Is ChatGPT not working or showing a loading error on your phone? Here's how to fix it quickly. First, you want to check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Try opening any other app or website to confirm your connection is working. Next thing you want to do is close and reopen the ChatGPT app. So go ahead and close the ChatGPT app. Then you want to open the app switcher and swipe ChatGPT off of your screen. After that, go ahead and launch it open. Now check if your problem is fixed. If you're still facing this issue, tap and hold on ChatGPT. Now tap on this info icon. This will take you to settings. Now tap on storage. Here select clear cache. You can also select clear data, but this is going to delete all of the application's data. If you select clear data, then you will have to log in again. Go ahead and log in. Now check if your problem is fixed. You also want to check if ChatGPT's server are down. For this, you can open up any web browser. Then head over to status.openai.com to see if there is any outage. If the site shows issues, you'll need to wait until it is resolved. Next, you want to make sure the app is up to date. For that, launch Open Play Store. Tap on the search bar, type ChatGPT. If you find the update option, go ahead and tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Once you do that, your problem will be fixed, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.